Welcome back to Kamas Classics. Today we've got our car show in Kamas for you. As you can see though, we're in the shop. And as you can see, the hood's still up on Dad's Oldsmobile. We had plans to take that today, but it didn't work out. So it ended up not being the intake manifold, it was a head gasket. We got that fixed. As soon as we got that fixed, we noticed the brand new alternator wasn't working and the brand new power steering pump was leaking. So swapped the alternator out with one that I had that was no good. Fixed that problem, but the power steering was still leaking pretty good. We didn't want to take it. It is on the grass in a park, so we didn't want to go get a bunch of, power steering fluid all over their lawn, and as well as if it leaked enough fluid, we didn't want to burn up the pump. It's just one of the seals, so we've ordered the kit to fix that. But that's what we got, so we'll take you to the car show, but you're not going to see any of our cars there. You can see the Mustang's still here. Engine's still in the crate, and Firebird's still down from what it was. So no cars for us at the car show, but we will take in and show it to you. If you haven't seen one of these, this is a 2011 Pontiac Firebird. If you know anything about Pontiac, they were already out of business at that time. So what they started doing was taking these Camaros, people bought the Pontiac and Firebird name, and they make these cars out of them.
We're going to do, I think she wants to try musical chairs. So we have some kids games coming up, so stay tuned. In addition to that, Corby here is giving away some kids gifts, and he's got a few black hats left over. You guys need a hat out there, so come see Corby. He's setting up people on personal accounts and commercial accounts.
Hey, in addition to the events coming up, it is now 10:36 at noon, presentation of colors.
That is correct.
We would love our veterans and our first responders, police, fire, EMTs, to come up and stand in the line as we present our colors.
So basically a body kit and some graphics. Takes the Camaro into a Firebird. Here we have a 51 Chevy pickup. Got something neat in the bed, let me get to that and we'll show you the truck first. Here we got a nice little go-kart.
It's probably got it. This is the first time.
Seems like fun. Here we have a 31 Ford pickup.
Australia. Oh wow.
Come on up, get registered.
And love hood ornaments. Called Little Devil.
Thank you. We like your accent. You don't have an accent. Yeah, you do.
Don't know if you could see the etching or not. Hopefully so. The back window's etched with a picture of the car, some roses, and 31. Hey, here we have a 38 Chevy and a 37 Ford. Let us know in the comments which one you like better. I kind of would need to mix the two.
No, I can imagine. You're too busy polishing this. This is beautiful. Yeah. So good on you. It's lovely.
So for me, take the Chevy back to the front doors, take the back half of the Ford, mix them together, you got a perfect car. Here we have a 1958 Porsche. Love the leather straps.
This is kind of plan B because we don't.
The Speedster.
I think this one is read between the lines, right in the middle. Yeah. Congratulations. They're getting married. That's what you get for putting it on Facebook.
Pretty neat car. Let's go to the Corvette next to it. A little styling difference, but 61 Corvette.
God help you, Corby.
So it is a removable hardtop, 4-speed. Nice car. Here we have 35 Chevy. Got into the bugs just a little bit on the way to the show. Dragon, seahorse. Love the valve cover. Front end looks good. Side exhaust. Really nice car. There's a little story on this car. It's a 76 Cadillac. So last Valentine's Day I bought my Camry. The Valentine's Day before that I bought my wife's wedding ring or engagement ring. And when we was at the dealer for Valentine's Day, he asked me what I was buying next, and I said a yacht. I didn't specify that it was going to be a land yacht, but this is what I want.
Liking it?
I do.
76, last year of the Verge, last year of the 500s.
It looks very comfortable.
You feel like the king of the world when you're driving that.
My grandpa.
I forgot the freight boot. I left the freight boot in the garage today.
So, I do love these cars. Here we have a 41 Studebaker. It's the Champion model. Something you don't see very often. It's definitely a different one. 91 GMC Cyclone. You can see right here, massive turbocharger, so it's a 4.3 liter turbo. You know, similar to the S10, but a lot of power. And 245 tire. That'll get the horsepower to the ground on that vehicle. Here's a little unique one, a 63 Ford Falcon. Beautiful interior. Nice car. Here's a 51 Chevy Deluxe. There is a space in it.
Yeah.
I will show you.
I like that. Yeah, not bad. You like the hat? I was coerced into wearing this today.
I'm
You
jealous.
see,
I rented
there is
it.
a definite
I rented
space there.
it
So
from
it
there.
is Deluxe.
I love it.
Early air conditioning.
All right, let's give away your product, Goody.
Awesome, let's do it. All right.
Smile at the camera. This
Just
is
a
Michael
neat
Johnny.
Chevy.
Michael Johnny.
Here we have a 69 Chevelle. Kind of regular, but the graphics on it are painted, so I wanted to show you those. I know it's painted because it's got the signature on it. Good. So, love when the graphics are painted, not stickers. Here we have 51 Mercury. It's got a few neat features to it, so I'll show you it. So we got spotlights. We got the white wheels. If you don't know what that is called a curb feeler. So it's, as it goes down the cement of the curb, it'll rattle and you'll know where you're at. Side exhaust. Just a nice car with a lot of the features from that era. Here we have a 56 Ford. Love the color. Huge Mickey Thompsons. Of course, oak bed. Just a really nice truck. The only thing I don't like the way the hood is. And that's because as it comes up, it covers the front of the truck. And again, this truck has a beautiful face on it and you can't see it. Here's your not normal car show candidate. So tonight is our local derby. I believe this is a 63 Buick, but I could be wrong, but I think it's pretty sure it's a Buick due to the clothes. 63 according to the tail lights. But this is just advertisement for our local show. So here we have a 63 Ford
Jason,
wagon.
what are you doing out there?
Hey man, we're just hanging out here giving away. I'm watching Corby do his giveaway here. You got to come and see him. Commercial accounts get a free spin of the wheel, possible beats, and kids come up and get free spin for Hot Wheels, toys, pins, you name it.
Hey, every so often we get to do something special, and you know when we're here at the show, the car show junkie of all shows, we have a presentation to make. Out here in front of the oldies booth, wearing the Walsburg hat, is Rob O'Driscoll. Now, Rob has a 49 Plymouth out there. He's from Walsburg, Utah.
Not true Woody wagon because it's wood stickers, but
okay. Out of Walsburg, Utah. Tell us about your
there
car.
we go. So as we said, we're now Volkswagen people. We're here by a bug. We'll end the show with this one. What did you think?
It always surprises me how many great cars come to this little car show. Whole back row of Firebirds.
Wow.
Unfortunately, Cooper's isn't back there with them, but maybe next year.
Erickson.
Well, she told me no, but I'm going to show you the Beetle anyway. She told me I can't have one, but we're going to have one.
And we had a lot of fun together. And you couldn't pick him out of the crowd because he was right there with everybody else. No suit, no tie. Usually just overalls.
All white t-shirt.
All white t-shirt, right. And usually driving a tractor.
Yep.
So she told me no Beetle, but maybe. We'll see.
We want to say for a benefactor that
So we
loves
finished
your
up the
car,
show. Pretty
you
good
get
show.
$100 with that.
Not as many cars as usual, but it was a little overcast and rainy this morning and evening, so not surprised. What do you think?
I think it's a pretty nice show. It's close to home. Wished I'd had my whole wheel ready, but things just didn't work out. But hopefully next year. But it was a good show.
So thanks for joining us. Like, share, and subscribe.